stream. Let's make sure that everything goes good on the live stream for YouTube. So we're live on YouTube as well. So like I said, if you guys want to join us on YouTube instead of TikTok, you guys will be able to see the charts and everything a little more clearly. Yep, we are live officially on YouTube. What's going on, guys? Angel Talamantes here. Begin Crypto. Always ready, dog. Max, that's my guy. Which card had you ordered? I haven't actually ordered a card yet. I think on the live stream it'll probably show which card I'm looking at. I think it's the green card. I think it's the green or the other one. But that's the one I'm eyeing up right now. But like I said, I'm trying to talk to crypto.com because I'm giving them a lot of love on these live streams and a lot of love on TikTok. Hopefully maybe we can talk about getting some deals or maybe having like a some sort of dollars off fees or something for our users in our community. Like I said, if you guys welcome YouTube, by the way, I'm going to go ahead and turn down the music a little bit on YouTube. I'm infamous for not turning that music down, but I'm going to turn it down to about right there. People like a little background music, but not much. I'm going to start this recording as well. Let's go to Coin Market Cap. What's going on, guys? So yesterday there was a flash crash, as you guys could see. It really made me frustrated because I had a long in on, oh geez, hold on, let me get my background and everything ready. Let's try that. Uh-oh, where's all my stuff? Hold on a second, this is bad. The live stream is looking dumb. Okay. There we go. I got to make sure to get everything on the right levels. So I'm revealing to you right now what we're going to talk about. That works. Oh, that's why. We got that adjusted. We got to go back and adjust this really quick. Sorry about that, guys. Go ahead, like I said, join us on YouTube, Begin Crypto. And then I'll, once I get this adjusted again, I'll get this thing started. That looks much better. Okay, guys, let's talk about the flash crash and what happened last night. About 8:30 last night, there was a crash, a sudden crash on Bitcoin, a sudden crash on Ethereum. And as you guys see on the side charts here, we're going to talk about the whale alerts. And I'm going to talk to you guys about what whale alerts are, what may have happened in the short term. And yeah, we're going to be able to show you guys that more there. But yeah, I mean, it was terrible. You saw like a solid 15% drop, 20% drop. The Bitcoin didn't drop as hard, but Ethereum and all the altcoins really got hit, which usually Bitcoin usually gets hit and then everything else takes a huge dive. But Bitcoin didn't take nearly as big of a dip as some of the altcoins. And I do have a couple theories for that. This is where we're at right now. The reason why I was frustrated was because, and I noticed it, was because I had a long in on Ethereum. And I got in on the long at 1781. There was that dip a couple days ago where it dipped down to 1750. And I got in at 1781. And we were doing fine. We were up at the 1800s, and I was leaving it open a couple days without a stop loss. Thinking, love your lives, good advice. Thank you very much. Aj Perfumes London, AJH Perfumes London. But I left it open and with no stop loss, and I got liquidated, and I couldn't even believe it. I was up at 1781. The liquidation point was 1690. I'm like, there's no way we're gonna dip that low. Even if we get down in the mid 17s again to the low 17s, I'll be fine. We'll ride this wave, and then we'll go right up to 19, 20, 21, 22, and we'll go ahead and make 300 or 400% on the trade. However, we dipped down just below 1690. I think it was like 1680 something, and I got liquidated, so I was super frustrated. But the good thing is I got right back on the horse, and I used more of the leverage that I had in on Bybit, and I just jumped right back in because I knew that we were going to go right back up, and now I've earned back the money through leverage that I lost last night, so I'm not nearly as frustrated. But that's the message I want to send to you guys right now too. Is don't be afraid. Don't be scared. The whole reason that these little flash crash happens, which is odd that the last couple flash crashes, the one on Thanksgiving. Hello, Germany, Illinois here. Awesome. What's up, Levi? What's up, Tony? But yes, so the Thanksgiving flash crash, the Christmas flash crash, and now the Valentine's Day flash crash. I think that the whales kind of catch us lulling, while the retail investors are with their family, whatever, and then they go ahead and do some things and get us to shake us off and get us out of our ETH and Bitcoin game. I'm not on. He pretty much gave everybody permission. You don't have to hold Dogecoin anymore, kind of thing. A slight drop. It actually didn't drop as much as it should have, but there are plenty of other projects that you go ahead and put your money in that are a little bit less volatile and a little more, much safer in the long run. What's up, Levi? What's up, Edison? So that was the flash crash, and I'm going to go to the chart so you guys can see it. I really think the ETH chart is a really good indicator of it. And I'm currently on the 15-minute chart. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. It's a little more extreme, so you guys can kind of see what happened here. Hopefully you guys are able to, yes, you guys are able to see that. So if you guys are on TikTok, like I said, if you want to see the charts, come on over to YouTube so you guys can see that. Will XRP survive after the lawsuit? Depending on how it goes. If like I said yesterday, we had on our live stream, there was some bearish news that one of the co-founders was selling a big bag of Ethereum, or a big bag of XRP, so that's pretty tough. I want to see, before we get too far, what's up in the, we got about 10 concurrent viewers now on YouTube. What's up, guys? I'm so glad that you guys are here. Hopefully the live stream is going well. Looks like it should be healthy. 9 concurrent viewers. Make sure you guys smash the like button and leave me a comment for questions on YouTube so I can answer them here on the stream. But let's go back to ETH here. As you guys can see, at approximately 1905, we got the blood diamond. That blood diamond means there's that we're going to start going down. But as you can see earlier, we got a little hint of manipulation with the red diamond with the X means that there could be some possible manipulation. What's up, Jesus, Franz, Mahi, David, Omar? Good to see you guys. Andretti, Pataphone, good to see you guys on the live. So as you guys can see here, there might have been some manipulation going on here. And as I get to the next part of the stream, I'm going to talk to you guys more about that. But that's exactly what that symbolizes. And there's a few reasons and there's a few ways that this happens. So let's go to, we talked about the flash crash here. I'm going to go to yesterday's profits. So I'm going to make sure that I have the iPhone up, running and ready to go so I can show you guys and we can talk a little bit more. There we go. I'm going to update it really quick. Here we go. And yesterday's total, we were down at 43 something. What's the best flow chart to watch, or what are you looking at? Sure. So I'm on TradingView. Guys can sign up for a free TradingView. And then I have a paid indicator called MarketCipher. And MarketCipher is awesome. What's up, Cedric, Dev, users, Anthony Adams? What's up, guys? Say what's up in the chat. But I use MarketCipher. And MarketCipher is a tool that helps you find the dips. It also helps you find the bottoms and like good entry points for doing leverage trading, but is also good entry points for swing trading. So we use that as well. What's up, David, Hector, Robert? Good to see you guys on the stream. Alvin, make sure you guys check us out on YouTube. So as you guys could see on the chart at that time, all of these green dots, there were so many. When you see all these green dots here, that means MarketCipher thinks that it's hitting a bottom. And when you hit this many bottoms in a short period of time, MarketCipher is like, what is going on? And that's why they give us the manipulation chart. But let's go back to the profits before I get too far, and I'll talk more about the whale alerts. So I'm going to reveal the profits here right now. So we have Cardano and Ethereum right now. If you guys don't know, we started at $2,234. We bought Cardano, Ethereum, and EGLD. We caught a little bit of the EGLD pump. We moved that money over to Cardano. So now we're just with Ethereum and Cardano waiting for both of them to pump. And the important thing is, before I actually reveal this number, guys, is being patient. Be patient. What's up, Chris, Bob, Alex, Mail, Ryan, user 6459? Because being patient is exactly what the whales don't want you to be. They want you to have those paper hands, those soft hands. Hey, I am in a meeting. I missed out what you said. Was it MarketCipher? Yes, Markets. That's hilarious. I'm glad you guys are checking us out on a meeting. MarketCipher, cipher with an I, CIFER. And if you guys want to check that out, the link is in my link tree. That's how you guys can support the channel, is use my referral links. So that'll help continue and help this channel out. But what I was saying, guys, what's up, Blake? What's up, music? Make sure you guys are being patient. You don't have to jump around. And we were in the Discord group. If you guys aren't in the Discord group, we talk a lot closer there. But on the Discord group, guys, there's a lot of people that really wanted to jump out of Ethereum. They wanted to jump out of Cardano because they saw it dipping. But that's the worst time to jump out. And the reason is because most of you want to jump out of a dipping asset and go into a rising asset. And that's exactly what you don't want to do. You want to get greedy when others are fearful and get fearful when others are greedy. That's a Warren Buffett quote. And when you're dipping, there's no reason for you to have to be afraid, especially when you're in a bull market and you have a good indication that everything's going to come back. And it came up within hours. So it's not like it was a 30% drop like we saw with Bitcoin a couple of months ago from 42 down to 28. That got a little scary, a little more scary. Those 20, 30% drops are much more scary. This little 10% drop is just, which I'm going to show you on the chart right now. If we go to the 4-hour chart, guys, this is just it's just a tiny little dip in the big scheme of things. There we are. I had to find us. Let's get back over to right here, guys. That's all that was right there. That's all it is on the 4-hour chart. Let me see if I can back up just a little bit more. Uh-oh. And then I'm going to take off my MarketCipher A so you guys can see. But that, as you can see, there's been big drops everywhere. But it turns out that's all that was right there on the 4-hour chart, which is a small, wick as compared to a lot of the other. Oh, you guys probably can't even see that because I have my other screen up. But as you guys can see right there, right here is that small, or is that wick. And that wick is nothing compared to what, it felt like a lot, but in the big scheme of things, it really wasn't that much. What's up, Ivan? What's up? Ivan's the man. What's up, Sebastian, user, Victor, Joey? Good to see you guys in the chat. If you guys aren't over on YouTube yet, join us over on YouTube. I'm glad to see that we got 11 over there on YouTube. We got 11 viewers and 2 likes. Make sure you guys smash that like button so that you guys can help out and get this seen by other people just like you that want to learn more what's going on in the market. I'm going to get to that in a second, but I'm going to show you guys. Like I said, I've been kind of holding back. I'm going to do a final upload here, and I'm going to show you guys where we're at. We're probably at about around the same where we were a couple days ago, simply because we're being patient. But we are currently at, I think I saw 4,400 on the dot just a second ago. Ethereum having a nice little pump. Cardano getting stuck right around that 88 cents, 87, 88 cents. But it was down at 75 cents or 72 cents I saw. So a nice comeback for Cardano. But that's where we are right now. I'm going to go ahead and update our total like we always do. Oh, we were at 4,291. So, a nice little $100 bump. But nothing too crazy. Like I said, we're being patient. But I think this week there's a lot to come. So $4,390. That's where we're at. If somebody was asking in the chat, we're at $4,390.40 in 10 days. So we've doubled our money in about 10 days. So that's pretty awesome. Like I said, our goal was 10,000 by February. That was if things were going to go right here. Like I said, in the next couple of days, things could go right. We could get into the low 5,000s on the portfolio, and then have a solid 2 weeks, get into the right couple projects, and flip that 5,000 to 7, 8, 9, 10 But like I said, our ambitious goal is 10,000 by February. So let's keep that up. Now let's talk about the whale alerts, guys. And this is what I want to talk about with the flash crash. If you guys don't follow me on Twitter, by the way, I just started a brand new Begin Crypto Twitter. I only have 2 followers so far. I just started posting. But if you guys want to follow on Twitter, you guys like Twitter, go to it's at Begin Crypto 1, and you guys can follow there. But more importantly, on Twitter today, what's up, Sebastian, User Kuba, Jay, Arian, Mike, JK, Miss, Johnny, Raisin, Alex. God, good to see all you guys join in and pop in on the chat. We can't see, LOL. Dang it, you're right. Sorry. Who is that? V Sam. Sorry, Sam. You're right. I do this all the time. I'm not very good at this, but here we go. So, like I said, by the way, this is the Twitter account right here, Begin Crypto 1. If you guys want to follow there, I only have 3 followers. Looks like somebody followed me right away. Butch, Nick, Flacco, Jay, Kuba. What's up, guys? Good to see you guys in the chat. So, this is what I wanted to show you guys, though. There is an account. Oh no, I'm going too far away. I don't actually want. I was in a spot, so I'm gonna go back to where I was. So this is called Whale Alert, guys. Whale Alert. If you guys don't follow Whale Alert on Twitter, make sure you guys follow Whale Alert. And what Whale Alert is, as you guys can see, is it tells you, for example, we'll start to get to where we were. Whale Alert, 2,190 Maker, which is about $5.7 million, was transferred from Binance to an unknown wallet. So perhaps that whale decided that Maker was a good choice, so they bought $5.7 million worth of it, and they bought it on Binance, and they transferred it to an unknown wallet. So maybe it's in cold storage, maybe it's to a different wallet, or maybe they're going to sell it over the counter. We're not really sure. But then you're able, if I'm going to click it here, you're able to see the transaction. You're able to actually see the exchange, and you're able to see the unknown wallet. It'll tell you what time and the amount. And the blockchain was on Ethereum. So as you guys can see, that's a really valuable tool on Whale Alerts. So let's scroll up a little bit to February 13th, February 14th, February 15th. So that's kind of where we were with this flash crash, guys. And I think this whale, Sushi, if you guys saw, let me check coin market cap quick on Sushi, because this could have gave an indication that Sushi was going to be one of the only altcoins that was pumping when everything else was getting killed yesterday. I believe that was the case, if I'm not mistaken. Sunday the 14th. Yeah. So it had a little dip, but yeah, it recovered a little bit quicker than a lot of the other altcoins. Some altcoins still haven't recovered, but Cardano as a whole, absolutely. That's what we're doing. What's your price targets for Cardano? All-time high at least. All-time high at least, $1.33. But I think it could get way further than that as well. Maybe $2 or even $3. The market cap is huge, and that's what people have a problem with. But people haven't seen, any investor money, any corporate money come in to Cardano yet. So let's go back though to the whale alerts here. So Sushi, somebody look at all this Sushi. 164, 164. I think there was a couple more up here even. So there was a lot of Sushi. Where can I buy Doge and crypto besides Robinhood? Coinbase, Crypto.com, Binance. Those are the 3 that I usually go with. The first 2, Crypto.com and Binance, I have in my link in my bio, so you guys can support me by using those links in the bio link. Other than that, though, you could go to Binance, Voyager, Gemini. There's a lot. So as you guys can see, on February 14th, 2:35 a.m., looks like a big buy from Binance to an unknown wallet. Does this mean they sold their ETH? We're looking for a few other plays. No, transfers from the marketplace to a wallet implies a hold of ETH. And this was, I think this was the one, 0xB, 0x5, 0xB, 0x5. Me, thanks. Bitcoin, nice little buy. And then there's a couple more ETH transactions coming, right? ETH, $41 million of ETH bought right here. And this was at February 14th at 4:20 a.m. That's very bullish. That is true. That is very bullish. And then we got down here, another 40 million that went from Binance to an unknown wallet. And then we had this one here. What time was this at? 8 a.m.? Oh, this one's 4:42. Okay. So this transaction here was 21 million, $40 million worth of Ethereum transferred from Binance to an unknown wallet. But this one up here, 18 million, 9,900 ETH transferred from an unknown wallet to Uniswap. That means he was looking to either getting into something else, whether it was maybe he's going to flip it for Bitcoin. But definitely when it goes to Uniswap, your assumption is that he's looking to flip it for something else. There's Aave. Yeah, these were the other sushis. Just a bunch of sushi going to an unknown wallet. Holy buckets. Somebody's huge on sushi. Good for synthetics. I think there was some news recently on them. Claudio, Simon, Rudy, Travis, Michael. What's going on? Anything going on in the chat? 3 followers now. I just did it. Awesome. 7 likes. You guys are doing awesome. Make sure you guys all smash that like button. Look at all this sushi. Sushi, sushi, sushi. Oh my goodness. Somebody just loving sushi. And I think that's why sushi partially got that big pump. That's super bullish for sushi if you wanted to know. But as we get back up here, there's going to be some more ETHs. And we're looking, sorry. I wanted to make sure I went back far enough. Okay. So this is $14 million of ETH, and that went to Binance. This is 7 million from an unknown wallet to Binance. And this is 8.8 ETH, $16 million that went to Binance. And that's a bearish news, because normally when they're going to either trade that ETH for something or they're going to sell it. They're going to sell it off and take it. Dump? I hope not. Yep. So, I mean, drop ETH and buy Bitcoin. That's what he's hoping. I think there were a few more as well. Sorry about that. 11,000 transferred from an unknown wallet to an unknown wallet. That could have been a over-the-counter type of move. Some more sushi. 17,000 from ETH from an unknown wallet to an unknown wallet. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of movements in with these whales. There was a lot of movements on ETH in this small amount of time. That is a lot of ETH that is moving. So I mean, you could see the concerns there. Somebody cashed out there. That's what that means. I think there was some more. 5 million graph. But as you guys could see, some link, 10,000crypto.com to an unknown wallet 17 hours ago. 17 hours ago would have been yesterday at 6:27 p.m. So that's about an hour before they may be putting them back into play to dump them. We'll see. It turns out that kind of was the case. And then we had the OKEX exchange. We had that. We had some of that we had it transferred from there to Binance. So I mean that's a. Oops, I wasn't going to reply. I was going to check some of the replies as well. That seems kind of redundant. They're going to sell ETH by. No. Yeah, the sell-off starts now. Really bad idea. So I mean, you guys could see some of the more of the bearish news as we keep scrolling, guys. I think there's a couple more at 13 hours. I think this was after so now we saw all of that movement, possibly the big sell-offs. So what happens on those big sell-offs, guys, is the whales know, and they start the ball. What happens is they all sell. And what they can do, not only when they sell, is they know. Hell, I've been watching you since you started the challenge. Andy, you're my guy, and I appreciate you saying that. But what they do is they know they're going to sell, and even if they get together with a few whales and say, let's go ahead and sell, and they can profit twice. How do they do that? they sell. Let me make sure that my mic's good. What's up, Axel? They sell, and what they're able to do is as soon as they're able to short the market and sell, they can make money on the way down. And then once people see whales, which on the chart here is just big, let me go to a quicker, like a faster time. Let's do 5 minutes. You'll be able to see a few more wicks, I think. See those wicks there? Right here. See all of these wicks? They're able to short the market. Then they're able to dump all of this all this Ethereum. And then as this gets dumped, they're making money on the way down shorting Ethereum. And then they short it. And the reason that they see you at the top, I'm doing the same. There we go. I love it. Can't wait. That's awesome, Andy. What's up, Dogface? What's up, user? What's up, CDs? I don't know what that means, but either way, any questions in the live stream before I keep going? Do we need to worry that people are dumping ETH? At this time, no, because they got in, they did what they wanted to do. And that's kind of why they call it a flash crash. I wanted to make sure they were getting better deals when they got back in. So what happens is, guys, let me go back to this ETH chart here. As you guys can see, these wicks, this ride down all the way down to 1675. What do you think about VET? I love VET. It has been a sleeper for the last week for us. We love VET. Could have got in on a discount yesterday if you had some cash on hand to buy during that dip, which I bought some graph in my other portfolio during that dip, and it's already paid off dividends. One of the only coins to pump really quick afterwards. So the graph is a solid choice, and we're looking at it for this portfolio in this challenge as well. But what happens is they sell off, they short, and then they get all these newcomers who just got into ETH. They're like, oh, let's get into ETH. So they have all this new money because we went from, let me see, the market cap was big. It was at 1.5 trillion yesterday. So there was some money coming in, and when the whales, which I'm assuming happened, dropped, and they dumped, we went from 1.4. Let me zoom in a lot up here. Market cap, we were at 1.5 trillion, and last night 60 VET 48. That's a pretty solid portfolio split there. We were at 1.5. We dropped down to 1.41. So we lost almost what is that, $100 billion. And when they drop fairly soon, Iron, it's coming fairly soon. Keep your eyes open for it. I'll talk about it at the end. But what happens is they drop it, and then they short it. And then they get all these newcomers. They get you guys. That's exactly why we need to be patient. That's why exactly why sometimes I don't like having stop losses, because they short. Let me get to that news article too, by the way. There's an article talking about this. 1.89 billion liquidated. And that happened to me on Ethereum. I thought I was in a great position to, by the way, guys, don't make fun of me, but I got a cinnamon roll here. I love cinnamon rolls. I got cinnamon roll and coffee, one of my favorite things, one of my weaknesses. For 2 weeks, then looking to go into NuCipher and Tron. I would stay off Tron. Tron's getting promoted by a lot of celebrities, but Tron's been around for a while, and they're really good at doing these little marketing pumps with the right people. But I don't believe in Tron over the long haul, just my opinion. Yeah, this cinnamon roll's pretty dang good. Give me a second to chew. See what's going on here. 13 viewers, cool. Keep smashing the likes, guys. Keep smashing the likes. Give us a follow. Give us a subscribe. Love for a cinnamon roll, Sebastian, my guy. I appreciate that. 1.89. What's up, Grant? Thank you. What about Link? Love Link. That's where you want. I think that's where you should be, other than Tron. Rather than Tron, just my opinion, not financial advice. I gotta actually state that. I forgot to state that in the beginning. Guys, this isn't financial advice. You're not supposed to take what I do as financial advice. It's only for fun and entertainment and all of that. But I'm doing it live for you guys, and I'm gonna take my losses and gains as they come. What I'm doing is what I truly believe in. So, but however, don't take it as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, let's get back to this. 1.89 billion liquidated. Why did Bitcoin and ETH price correct overnight? In the past 24 hours, $1.89 billion worth of future positions have been liquidated after Bitcoin and ETH fell sharply. And that was me. I was in an ETH long, and I got liquidated. Okay, I will keep you updated and split the money with you. My guy. I wish I could take that, but I'm not supposed to. But what you could do is share this with your friends and follow on, subscribe, do all those little things for us. If you're going to buy any of the tools, buy on the referral links that we have in YouTube description and on Linktree on TikTok. That will help. What about Cosmos, Tezos, DAI? For sure, Cosmos, Tezos, DAI. Haven't seen TokenMetrics right now, guys. If you guys want to know, by the way, TokenMetrics likes the graph. They like Elrond, and they like Terra, which is the Luna. It's a donation. There we go, winky face. I like it. Appreciate all of that. But people have been liquidated. I got liquidated, but now I'm back in the game. Do I have Bybit? Do I have the Bybit app on here? Maybe I can see where I'm at. I think I have the Bybit app. Am I logged in? That's what I don't know. But either way, guys, I'll keep logging in here. But I got liquidated, and so did a lot of other people. Look at all the liquidation on Binance. Holy buckets. And then Bybit, that's where I was. A bunch of liquidations. I'm going to log into my... Dang it, we have the security verification. I want to do it right now. So what happens when you are liquidated? You lose your whole position. So I'll give you guys a skinny on that quick before I continue on this liquidation. What liquidation is, so let's say I put in a trade. I think I'm up I put in a small long last night of like $300-400 or whatever. Okay. And what happened is you try to get in on the dip, and that's what I use MarketCipher, that tool MarketCipher for. So what happens is you try to get in on a dip, and ETH had this huge dip the other day, a couple days ago. If I'm scrolling back here, probably should have used a bigger timer so you guys could see it. But it had this huge dip down here, and it went from 1840 to around 1770, and I got in at 1781. So I put in a long or maybe it's this one. Oh, it was yesterday's. Never mind. But I put in a long, and what happens is I'm predicting that the market's going to go up. So I put in a long position thinking that the market's going to continue to go up. And you only have a certain percentage because I'm trading on leverage. I had 15x leverage going. So each percentage point, full percentage point that ETH went up, I would gain 15% leverage. So 15% profit for every 1%. And I was doing well. And it got all the way up to 1840, and then it dropped all the way to 1770. But last night what happened was I got in at 1781. We were up, and all of a sudden we dipped all the way down to 1680 something. Let's see where, or actually it was 1650. That's where it temporarily touched. And I had my liquidation price was set at 1690, thinking I'm at 1780. There's no way we're in a bull market right now. Even if it dips down to the low 1700s, I'll be able to bounce back. I went on the charts and looked, that the bounce down would be down there would be around 1700. So I put it just below that to make sure that even if we got that close, it would bounce back off. Got liquidated. And what happens when you get liquidated is you lose your whole position. So I didn't have that much, and I think I had like 0.25 Ethereum or something on the trade. And they took it all away. But what happened is as soon as we kept hitting that bottom, I jumped right back in, and I put another 0.25 in to try to see if I could go back on the upside and catch the wave on the ride back up. And I did last night. And when I woke up this morning, we were back up to 18,000, and I got in at 16, really low 17s, I think. So I'm already about back where I was, and a little bit of profit even. So it turns out it worked out better than I thought, but it liquidated a lot of people. And that's what the whales are trying to do. They're trying to get you out of your position, because what happens when you liquidate is your shares of Ethereum go back into the market. So that gives them a chance to buy on the dip. So let's say, you guys see these Crypto Face, who's the MarketCipher founder, Crypto, and all these guys, BitBoy. So when they lose 3-4 Bitcoin and they get liquidated, that Bitcoin becomes available again. And as the price goes down, these guys drive it all the way down to where they want it. And as soon as they short, they close their short position, and then they take that profit and they scoop up all of the Bitcoin that just got shorted or that just got liquidated, or the Ethereum that just got liquidated. And now they have more money and they picked up more Ethereum, and now they can slowly buy back in. They can dollar cost average back in, take some of their profits, put it somewhere else. But now they can dollar cost average back in. And as you guys can see, this thing slowly goes up. And once that happens, then the retail investor like you and me get comfortable again. And then we start buying again as well. And then you guys see these, look at these. You see these big jumps, jump, jump, jump. So this is really bullish for Ethereum to go back where it was. But that's what happens. Do you really think Bitcoin is going to be the prevailing crypto? Honestly, yes, I do. I think Ethereum has a good chance if they can figure out the fee problem, but I think Bitcoin is going to be the digital gold. And I wholeheartedly believe that, especially with everything that's going on with the printing of money and the fiat currency and everything that's going on. Everything that happened with March, I don't want to say the word because I don't want it to get pinged or whatever, but everything that happened in March sped everything up. And I think this was going to be more like this in the next bull run, like the 2023-4-ish area. It would be more like this then, but man, everything got sped up now. And now Tesla's in and Apple's going to be in soon if they're not already in. They just haven't announced it, so on and so forth. We'll see what's going on in the live. Thoughts on Aave? Love Aave. It just hasn't, it's been quiet right now. Probably a great time to get in on some Aave, but Aave's going to be the big time. Mark Cuban loves it. There's several other big players that love it as well. Aave is going to be here to stay. So just a little bit quiet right now. There's some other sexy projects that are getting some love right now. Some other coins that are pumping, but don't give up on Aave. Aave is pretty solid. But all the liquidations, they like to recover. If you're not a long-term investor, now's the time to buy Bitcoin. How many corrections along the way, but on-chain indicators. There are enough stable coins and exchanges compared to Bitcoins to get another leg up. Ethereum 2.0 is going to be one of the contender, in my honest opinion, is going to be ADA, Stellar, or Uni. I'm a big fan of DOT as well. I think it's closer to ADA or DOT. Those are going to be one of the two that are going to give Ethereum runs for its money. But if Ethereum figures it out, Ethereum, first mover, big player, Ethereum will be just fine. So let's talk about Cardano now. Cardano approaches a new major upgrade as ADA posts an inspired rally. They had a huge rally. Obviously, that's why we got in. We got in at 35 cents. Just look at the fees, TPM, and all of that. Absolutely. ETH 2.0 hopefully figures that out. But right now, like I said, the arbitrage in the game is buying things on the Binance Smart Chain, Pancake Swap, Zero Swap, Multiplier, Linear, those things, because the fees are so much lower in the short term. And as you guys can see, Pancake Swap is just blowing up. And it's all because of the low fees. I have $6,000 invested in all coins, no Bitcoin or ETH. Got 10,000 cash ready. Should I buy Bitcoin now? If I were you, Claudio, I don't want to give you a yes or a no. I think we know where Bitcoin and ETH in the short term are going. I think they're going up. I really can't think that you're going to be. I think there's some other altcoins. I don't know what altcoins you have, but sticking money in Bitcoin and ETH at almost any time early on, early enough is a good choice. I couldn't blame you for anything. ETH, Litecoin already are here to stay. Absolutely. That's good. That's a good analysis user. What's up, David? What's up, Dandon? Thoughts on Aave? Yep, I already gave that. So we don't have any more questions in here. So let's keep continuing to the Cardano. Set a nominal fee payable by ADA to be sent alongside the tokens. You may also see a bundle of multiple native tokens together and send them together in one transaction. Basically talking about not needing smart contracts. ADA fighting for the number 4 spot, as we could already see. Ethereum's still king as of right now. Cardano's got a chance, though, to dethrone it. XLM, depending on what happens with XRP, XLM could still be solid. I haven't heard any of the NASDAQ rumors. Hopefully these NASDAQ rumors come out soon. But I think Chainlink is a really, really solid buy right now. Super bullish. One of the few that recovered really quickly, along with the Graph and a couple of Vet and a couple others. Like I said, this cinnamon roll, guys. This cinnamon roll is amazing. So let's take a look at the ADA chart. And as you guys can see, we had a little, I didn't draw the bottoms all that well on this one. Let me pull. That's more of the bottom. Looks like we had the downward trend, but a little fake out from support. And now it looks like we're just ready to break this resistance line. Link is long hold. I completely agree. Link is a great. I have a large bag of chain link because I think it's one of the few. Are you bullish on the cinnamon roll? I'm ready to invest in it. Man, I am so bullish on cinnamon rolls. Like I said, it's my favorite, along with a little fresh coffee. Guys, it doesn't get much better than that. Oh man, that's too good. So make sure, like I said, make sure you guys smash. We got 9 likes already, 11 viewers. That's awesome. By the way, this is Facebook. If you guys want to follow on Facebook, for any of you Facebook peeps, my millennial Facebook peeps to boomers, if you guys like this Facebook deal, go ahead. We post some content on there as well. Back to the ADA chart though, looks here to be breaking this this small support, or this small resistance here. And as you guys can see on the bottom, this is the 4-hour chart. And as you guys can see, we got the little green dot, which isn't as bullish, but we had our little dip there, and looks to see that we're going to keep climbing up. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart's my favorite place. Favorite place to be. We got faked out by that little flash crash. Right now in the short term, we're in the red, but this big momentum wave is coming. Let's see what happens with this momentum wave. Maybe we get, over the next day or two, we get a nice pump coming. What's up, Chad? What's up, User? What's up, Die? What's up, Iron? I'm glad you guys joined again. Ethereum still pumping, which is fine. Bitcoin 48.6 in a good spot. Hopefully going to go 250. What do I have right here? Oh, I have Luna. Luna was one that TokenMetrics really likes for the week. Let's take a look at a couple others. Would you recommend transfer whatever I have in XLM into Chainlink? I have 220 worth of XLM. Like I said, I can't give financial advice. If I had XLM right now, $220 of it, I'd probably find another project, perhaps Link, perhaps Graph, perhaps Vet, perhaps ADA, perhaps Cardano. Those maybe would possibly be the 4. I mean, I can't say because I'm not giving you financial advice. But if that were me, maybe I'd possibly do that. What's up, Oscar? What's up, Scott? What's up, Di? I was looking at EGLD. Let's look at some EGLD. Because last night, if you guys, I think there was a, I legitimately call it a 50% off sale on EGLD. This thing went down to like 101. That is incredible. I panicked yesterday and sold on the dip. Lost 1,700 on Graph. Big mistake. Guys, let's talk about that quick. Thank you, Claudio, for being really transparent with us. With the I don't know what we're gonna call ourselves. The begin squad. I don't know. Well, the thing is something. But thank you for being transparent with the community, guys. You guys have to have strong hands in these bull runs, because those whales, exactly what they did to you, that's exactly what they wanted to do. They wanted that new money to get shaken off. They wanted you out of your position so that they could buy even more for a cheaper price at the bottom and gain more equity in their positions. And they know people with small, with the soft, small hands like us, which we don't have soft hands in our community. But if you do and you shake out and you sell and you panic, you're going to lose money and they're going to gain money. That's how this game is played. Somebody's got to lose money and somebody's got to gain money in the stock market. That's kind of how this game works. I mean, there's a lot of ways for a lot of us to make money, but somebody's got to lose and somebody's got to win. And the ones who can stay patient, the ones who aren't always reliant on their stop losses, because sometimes they hunt those stop losses too. Sometimes they're looking for big players with big leverage and stop losses to just barely hit that stop loss, get you out of your position so they can get into your position. Did I lose connection, guys? Am I still good on the stream? Said I lost connection. I'm not sure why. There we go. Good connection again. TikTok went weird, but YouTube looks good. So keep smashing those 11. Awesome. 11 likes. Nestivities, nice to say. Yeah, big mistake, Claudio. It is what it is, though. Keep learning from it, and I'm glad that you shared it with us. So thanks a ton. What else do I have? Let's talk about the next 24 hours, guys. As you guys can see, by the way, I was talking about EGLD. You guys could have bought it a huge dip. It's all the way back up to 155 again already. You could have got it $50 off, which is incredible. Like I said, let's look at a couple other quick that I'm bullish on before I get GRT. Honestly, took that little this 1 hour chart, and honestly didn't take as nearly as big of a hit. I think it only got to like a $1.66 from 230, and I went ahead and I bought in on what's up, Nestivities, Chad, Allie and Andrea. Nice to see you guys here too. Love it. But I bought in on the dip of GRT. I think my wife and my sister-in-law just joined the stream and they're yelling downstairs because I know that I'm streaming. Of course they did. So I bought in at on GRT on the graph. They're dumb. I bought in at the graph on right at 180. Let's see. 186. Yep, 186. And it bounced back right away and made some money. Like I said, we saw Claudio lose a little money in GRT, but that's how this game is played. So let's take a look at CoinMarketCap again before I get too far. And we were looking at Sushi Swap. But here we are. Ethereum still at 1820. Bitcoin in a solid position right now. Cardano at 87. We got Chainlink pumping at 34. Good solid week. Litecoin at 217 again. Uniswap still at 21. Aave being quiet. Could have a big week. VeChain is continuing to stay strong. Dash had a great little run there too. They went down and came right back up as well. I think they were down $70, but I think they might be the South American currency here real quick. Some bullish things on Dash. Like I said, CoinMetrics loves Luna, loves Elrond, loves the graph, loves synthetics. So that's maybe where we're looking. Filecoin's been holding up really strong. Zill had an awesome week. The 0x was doing solid. Yeah, Pancake Swap just keeps crushing. Good 85% week, especially on that dip. They were up way higher, but simply it's because of the fees on Pancake Swap. Polygon used to be Matic Network. Can't think of. They just rebranded. Now their Matic is now Polygon. 56% pump for the week. Looking good there. So guys, overall, let's talk about my trades for the next 24 hours. We're still holding strong, guys. Like I said, there really isn't anything that's standing out to me right now. Link is looking solid. Like I said, VET, Link, the graph, synthetics, those are probably the ones I'm getting into if I'm going to get into them. But we're going to hold ETH here. Actually, might double in price if they settle on the 22nd. I completely agree with that. It all depends. All depends, Claudio. What's up, Chris? What's up, Clay? What's up, Deemer? What's up, Ricardo? So, finishing thoughts, guys. We're going to hold on to, like I said, we're still going to hold ADA. Dang it. I'm going to log in on my crypto. But we're still going to hold ADA. We're still going to hold Ethereum. The moment that we start to get that big Ethereum pump, though, we might pop out of Ethereum, and then we're gonna see what's going on from there. Because what might be beneficial is getting that Ethereum pump and then pulling that out and putting it in that USDM, or for you guys USDC or wherever you guys are at, Tether, a stable coin. And then from there we can assess. Maybe, I mean, TokenMetrics thinks the graph's going to go to $3 this week. I think so too. It's looking, really bullish as it is. So perhaps we take that Ethereum goes from 18 to 2,200, and then maybe, or to 23, 2,400. We'll see. But maybe we take that money and we split it between two more. Perhaps maybe VET and Chainlink, or Chainlink and EGLD, or EGLD and what am I thinking of? I can't even think of it right now. The graph. So, I mean, we're thinking about like 4 or 5 coins or so, but we might split that 1,000 into 2 different. So we would have Cardano and then 2 others at about 1,000 each. And hopefully Cardano starts to pump, or maybe we even drop another 1,000 in Cardano if we really catch the pump. We will see. We'll play it by ear. If you guys want to know exactly what we're thinking and what our squad is talking about, go ahead and join us on the Discord group. The Discord group is in the link in my bio in TikTok. It's also in the link in my description on YouTube. So guys, there you have it. That's what I'm thinking right now. You guys got the news. You guys learned about the whales. Make sure you guys follow us on TikTok. Make sure you guys follow us on YouTube. Make sure you guys also follow whale alerts, because you guys can see a lot of what's going on whale alerts to see who's making moves and to see what could be bullish. Because if they lock up your favorite, if they go ahead and lock up your favorite crypto and you see a bunch of it going away, somebody transferred from Kraken to an unknown wallet. Somebody thinks XRP might be doing its thing. Somebody else is locking up some more ETH. Okay, ETH might be bullish here. Somebody's locking up a ton. XRP and ETH, it looks like. Somebody just locked up a ton. Oh, they went from Link to Binance, so maybe they might be selling out of Link. We'll see, though. Or trading out of Link anyway. Maybe they thought they got enough profit out of it. But yes, so make sure you guys follow Whale Alert. Go ahead and follow us on Twitter as well. So, guys, until next time, thank you guys so much for joining the stream. I will talk to you guys soon. Peace.